star dances softly near and far, up above the clouds so high, painting colors in the sky. Shiny shoes and glowing light, spreading magic every night. Skip and hop, a happy song. Come, dear friends, and sing along. Twinkle, twirl, twinkle bright, guide us with your gentle light. Dreams will bloom and hearts will glow where the dancing star will go.